did not.
It did not keep her out of my Cheerios. She ate them anyway.
I had to move all kinds of
Did you
stuff.
see the mess that you have made in that nice clean toaster oven with your stupid butter on toast first?
So tell Sandra about it.
Tell Sandra about it.
Sandra cleaned it like 2 weeks ago.
Good. She should have cleaned it again.
And it's all covered in butter and stuff.
Probably cheese.
The burner things. That's why the burner things don't work properly, because there are butter drips on them.
Don't worry about it. Once she catches fire, we throw her out in the yard and get a new one. That's how them
We can't
rednecks
get a
do
new
it. That's how
Meemaw.
them rednecks do it.
We can't get a new Meemaw.
Well, is she gonna catch fire?
She might.
You Lorrie over there throwing the toaster up her eye. Oh my God. I never.
Off.
No.
What?
We got her camera on.
I know. Well, that's really smart. Let's put it on the camera and then let's rock. You want to see what it's like to be a sailor?
I like sailing.
You like sailing.
Someone else is doing the work. Will you take me sailing, honey?
Nope.
Why?
I do not do sailboats.
No, I like power boats better. Ooh, fresh asparagus.
Turn that off. Why you even got it on?
Because I love you.
What's that got to do with anything?
That's got everything to do with everything. You are my whole reason for existence.
Now, if that ain't a pile up, what you call it? I gotta be careful of what I say because them young girls might be on here.
They watch my channel,
They
honey.
watch your channels, and I just, you know. Did you ever get a hold of them and tell them what I said?
No, you tell them.
I.
Look at the camera and tell them. Just do it. KK,
Who's in charge?
I'm in charge.
You're in charge of those girls?
No,
I don't think
KK's
their
in-
mom would say things.
No, I'm in charge of us. I'm in charge of this place. So tell them. Ask them. I think KK is in charge of the merchandise.
Well, I was going to say, Trey said she had to think about it.
No, KK said she had to think about it.
Oh, KK said
Yes.
that. Okay. All you got to do...
Look at the camera, not at me.
Well, it looks about the same. Get about the same reaction from it. Just looks.
Go ahead.
I want 2 black t-shirts with your logo on it. And what you do, give me a price and I'll send you an American check to pay for it. Plus shipping. How's that, girls? And if you do that, and we come agreement, then I might grow my back and paint it for you.
Oh, that's quite a deal.
That is quite a deal.
Yeah,
Right? So,
considering it ain't going to cost them nothing, it's going to cost me.
Vineyard Chicks, if you heard that, Dave is willing to make a deal.
Let's make a deal.
Coloring his hair. Let's make a deal.
Let's make a deal. Come on up.
Come on up.